Crawford Lake is where we say the Anthropocene has started. Now, so far, it was believed that for more than 11,700 years, we have been living in the era called as Holocene. However, we have transitioned from Holocene to what is known as Anthropocene, and this Anthropocene is the age of humans. This age of humans is approximated to the period of 1950s where plutonium fallout took place, and it said that that was the time where nuclear tests started and the great acceleration of human impact on the atmosphere and the planet was witnessed. So this was an evidence through the geologist, which was called as GSSP, which is the Global Boundary Stratotype section. Now this has been considered as the golden spike. The area where it has been marked is what is called as Crawford Lake in Canada. We have seen that during this Anthropocene period, we would be witnessing explosion in population, explosion in resource consumption, and ultimately higher than ever levels of pollution that would have an impact onto the atmosphere. Now, these layers, or what are called as wars, are the wars which contain plutonium fallout, which have been witnessed from 1950s nuclear testing activities, and these have been found significantly in the Crawford Lake areas in Canada. We will be covering more interesting topics in geography. Till then, you can refer the links below for more information.